Welcome back to the ranch. Today we're going to try to tear down this little shed here and clean up the area, move everything that we've packed into it over the years and go from there. So let's get started. So we'll start by moving some of this stuff out of here, putting it in this other little shed.
Let me get behind you.
This tin's about had it. Stuff's been in here so long that it's sunk down in the ground.
The bees in there?
That's what I was looking at. Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a nest in there somewhere apparently. I don't know where.
Let's have a look inside.
Oh, I see it. Look, it's right there.
Where?
Right there. Right there they are. See them?
Oh, yeah. You
Well,
barely see it with the
We're
camera.
going to have to figure out what to do on that. Watch out, I'm going to try to knock it down with this pole.
Well, I'm going to stand back.
Probably going to get stoned.
Just run.
I don't see anything else.
They're not wanting to leave.
There might be another one in there.
They can just put nests anywhere, can't they?
Seems to be coming from up here somewhere, some of them. They have to have another nest in there somewhere. Well, let's pause it there for a second and let them get out of here.
Yeah, I was going to suggest that.
I'm gonna have to pull these loose because they've been here for so long. This thing's still here. Wondering, if you don't know, these are posts. These are a different type of fencing posts. down in the dirt and sitting here for so long. I know you can't tell, but these are actually never been used, brand new posts. They've just been sitting here for like 25 years or something. Still good. Still some of them wasps flying around. Looky here. If it's still good, these are little ones here. Oh, what a shame. You know what that is, don't you?
Yeah, feeder.
Now, that's a water one. That's what we were looking at. That was $40. Sit there and rusted. Worthless now. Look how bad it's rusted. It's totally gone.
This is where the building needs to be fixed.
Yeah. Well, I'll go ahead and I'll move all these over into the other little shed over here. And we'll pick it back up after I get done with that.
And later that evening.
Hey guys, just got back from the lumber store. Got all of our posts now to build our chicken house with. And guess how much all this cost?
Well, how much did it cost?
I think it was like, what, $200 or something?
It was almost 200.
Yeah. 160? I don't know. I'll pull out the receipt and show you guys. But we got 4 12-foot treated 4x4s and then 4 10-footers. And a bunch of corn and sweet feed for the horses. But we're getting closer. Maybe we can get this project done before winter hits. Right?
Hopefully.
If not, I guess you guys will be seeing me do this in the winter.
Well, I hope not.
They barely had any wood at the lumber store.
Makes me think they're not selling as much. It's the reason why they're not stocking as much.
I'm gonna have to weed eat this. It's pretty bad over here. But even though the price went up, we had to get lower quality because they didn't have much to choose from. I've got a real good idea on the way I'm going to make the chicken house. I'm not going to tell you yet.
Getting in too big a hurry.
Like I told Rhonda, though, if things get too bad, we'll just throw the chickens out and throw a Gen Alpha person in there and rent it to them for a couple thousand a month. The chicken house.
Yeah. Well, think of how much it costs to buy a building now.
I'm just being somewhat sarcastic. The price of rent everywhere has gone crazy. These landlords have lost their mind.
Yeah, 2,500. I remember when I was renting, I'd always say, "Now I ain't paying more than 600 for a house."
These landlords have lost the plot. They forgot what renting is.
They want you to pay for their house they went in debt for.
Renting is supposed to be a temporary thing. It's supposed to be something you do while you're gathering up enough money for a down payment on your own home. They have perverted renting. Now it's more like these people. You know, I was looking. Let's change the subject in the middle of what I'm talking to something else here. Rent now costs more. It literally costs more to rent a house than what it cost my dad for his first rental house that he bought to rent to others. 1 month's rent is now more than that. That is how ridiculous it has gotten out here.
And we live in the country.
Yeah, we live in Appalachia.
The cheapest place to rent. Not anymore.
I hope you guys aren't renting, because it's really cutthroat out there. But I guess I'll go and load this feed. Till next time, God bless you all.